Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will compare Gemini versus Fortune Oil. We will delve into their distinct characteristics, starting with their nutritional content, then moving to their market pricing and availability. Finally, we will explore their best uses in the kitchen. This comprehensive comparison aims to equip you with the knowledge to make an informed decision for your cooking. When considering nutritional value, Gemini oil frequently boasts a higher proportion of polyunsaturated fats, which are known to support cardiovascular health. Fortune oil, on the other hand, is often enriched with vitamin E, an important antioxidant, and provides a good balance of essential fatty acids. While both are cholesterol-free, understanding their unique fat profiles is crucial for health-conscious consumers. Regarding price and availability, Fortune oil is often considered the more economical choice, frequently retailing at a lower cost per liter. Gemini oil, while still affordable, usually carries a slightly higher price tag. Both brands enjoy extensive market presence, making them readily accessible in most grocery stores. You can typically find them in convenient 1-liter, 2-liter, and 5-liter packaging options, ensuring availability for various household needs. For culinary applications, Gemini oil's neutral flavor and relatively high smoke point make it ideal for deep frying, stir-frying, and general sautéing without altering food taste. Fortune oil, often with a slightly more distinct yet mild flavor, is versatile for everyday cooking, baking, and can even be used in salad dressings. Your selection ultimately depends on whether you prioritize a neutral base or a subtle flavor contribution to your dishes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.